How to contact hotels.com support. Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I will simply guide you through the steps on how you can contact hotels.com customer care or support. So just make sure to watch the video till the end. Now maybe you're having issues with your booking, or maybe you're having some issues with your trips. Anyway, you want to contact the customer service. To do this, first of all you have to do is simply make sure to open the hotels.com application here. Once you make sure to open the hotels.com app, you're going to see this type of interface where you just have to tap the account icon from the bottom right hand side of the screen. Once you tap the account icon from the bottom right hand side of the screen, you'll find a section that says how can you help you, and it says I need help managing my booked trip. All you have to do is just tap on it and you'll most likely have two options. One is that you can either directly call the hotels.com customer service or the support over here, or the other is you can simply visit the online help center. Depending upon what you want to do, let's say you want to call them, just tap on the call. Their number will load up directly on your phone application over here. I'll also make sure to drop a number down below. Depending upon the region and the currency that you have, the number is going to load up. You can give them a call and then they should be able to help you solve your problem, or if not, then you can simply also choose to go ahead and then visit their online help center by just tapping the visit online help center button. And that is it for today's video on how you can contact hotels.com support. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching and see you in the next video.